ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
President Jongko All India Trinamool Congress uba Charles Pengrop hakashipotrik ubna kelalingkot arazar arpuar ulaong baka parti kadon Jingkyrmen ban lebha hake election MLA shikayeng dorbar thawan ke jilla kaban salong house Snem arazar arpulai agajing yakren bat kilat pathai khubor uba Charles ulakan tait ruya ke Jingkyrmen baki paitba ke jilla Meghalaya kin empat pediang setia yakni ke parti ha ke election kaban sawan.
Well, 1 year is enough time to do the groundwork. Yes, now with the new variant of the COVID-19, the drawback is that people will suffer because again their livelihoods are affected. But it is a time now that we can reach out to them. In fact, in a better way, so that they understand our ideologies and why and what we stand for and how we can take it forward. So time is sufficient. AITC has enough time for that. Within this month of January, we will have the whole team on board. In fact, I've already signed the papers for the permanent office of AITC in Shillong. That's near the press club. I think above the press club. So that's a step forward and we'll take it forward now. My question is, why not? If you have a doubt, tell me what is your doubt. Now who has a doubt? The electorate or the political party? Where the feedback we have, people don't have any apprehensions. They want a party or the individuals that represent the party that can deliver the goods. And we have seen that very clearly in the ITC, what they did in West Bengal. So it's a party that is very well acceptable. You may have your own feelings about a party, or who you want to vote for, or what party you want to vote. But to think that the ITC, if a political party saying that the AITC will not be acceptable, is just a figment of someone's imagination. I've made it very clear. I'm a candidate from North Mine, and as president of the party, I don't think anyone can shift me now. I was made to understand that there would have been an attempt to ask me to contest from Morakining, but that could have been just again someone's imagination. It was never given to me in black and white. Prospects are good. Prospects are good because the ideology of the party is good, and the principles laid down by the party have to be strictly followed, whereby discipline is maintained. So once that happens, then the people understand that our intention is to work for them. And so once you get that across to the people, you can do well. Well, that will be the aim. But whether we reach all 60 constituencies will be a challenge. But the aim will be to put up all 60 constituencies. That's right. Once we settle down, and I would say, like after the budget session, our manifesto will be prepared and circulated to the people of the state. And in therein will encompass everything which we will intend to do when we come into power in 2023. And how do you rate on a scale of 10? I'd rather keep that to myself. Performance on a scale of 1 is to 10. Well, they haven't reached a very higher scale. But then there have been issues which they are facing also. See, in any governance, the fragmentation of the poles, which eventually leads to multiple partners in the coalition, is extremely difficult for any government to push forward its agenda unless they have a common minimum program chalked out and followed. If I recall correctly, the MDA government did not have or does not have a common minimum program. Therefore, the performance obviously will dip in the absence of a common minimum program. You tell me, it is easy to say, I'm not mentioning any political leader who has said it, but it's very easy to comment, to say that it will not be accepted. Give me one reason why. And I'll give you 1,000 reasons why we can be accepted. Just give me one reason why we cannot be accepted. That's all. We approach everybody. Why only political leaders? Even people who wish to work for the state, we'll approach them also. And preferably we would like to work with the younger people who have the zeal to serve the state. That is more important. Many, but I will not mention their names. Many. And why not? Why not? They have every right to choose their own political party. And it's one of the processes that's allowed under the Constitution. So I don't see anything wrong in that.